Tere kõik see pere, oleme omadega jõudnud siia Järveajani, kus mul just lõppes tõukerattatrenn ja avastasime, et me pole ammu ekstreemspordi sisu siia kanalile toonud. Seega võtsime challenge'iks tunni aega teha teile sõiduvideo, seega tund aega läheb käima nüüd.
The funky brain food, you bad premieres, get a group, so don't snooze. Absolutely, the juicy gangster hits, spreading awareness, so don't try to tamper with rugged man. I kick rhymes, while others kick the can. If they battle me, I come with a different type of strategy. Some automatically think ghetto songs is bust shots, then rock hit skins when you're dead wrong. If I say that, sometimes a message comes mental. When I bust shots lyrically from the pencil, the word gangster pertains to a frame of thought. Many brought up that way, now after they were taught. So I try to let the circumstances be known. While suckers keep casting the sticks and stones at the art with standard remarks, but I won't quit for giving the people the lowdown about this. Ebony gives me insight about parts of life, so I can relate more to topics that I write. And now that I'm doing it properly, there's no stopping me. Although the system got my brother on lock and key, but through the group of friends to be an
Alles 1/3.
Strings the incline behind the scene, and soul is fully in here with the team. I got the look, but my name ain't Jordash. Specialty is busting the real street court tracks, coming on strong and steadily. This one's for Ebony, the Ghetto Groove legacy.
No nii, aega on meil 13 minutit, seega ma arvan, et võtame veel kiiresti selle reili ette ja teeme viimased maasikad trikid ja siis on tänaseks video kotis. Aie! It's a legacy, pass it on, pass it on. It's a legacy, pass it on.
Make way, Goofy's coming fresh with the broom. Respect is due when I drop my point of view. You bad crew is edgy and ready to come forth. The rhymes of the swords I use to get forced. The torch is lit when I rip mix with diction. Pump up systems, I pull rhymes like Lipton soup. Real hot, thinking hard like lava. The man is sick to death, I'm continuing the saga of the E. The B-O-N-Y, the fly inventor, the U-back center, the thoughts and the agenda. Remember.
No nii, tundub, et see Flair jääb järgmiseks korraks. Pange kindlasti like, kui teile meeldis. Mul oli küll tore sporti teha üle pika aja, tunni aega ekstreemspordi video. Kui tahate veel ekstreemsporti näha, siis kirjutage alla, kus pargis, mis trikke, kellega, kuidas ja nii edasi. Järgmine kord Kiiver päev, Flair lukku ja